Hi, Wes Scott from Life Back Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about valuing assets in bankruptcy in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Um, when you file bankruptcy, you have to disclose all your assets. And of course, the question becomes, well, how do you value your assets? Well, the value of your assets is what it's the value of your assets, according to the bankruptcy code, is the value of your assets if a retailer who dealt in goods of the kind you have could sell them on the open market for. So, for example, clothing, most clothing and small household wares, where are they sold? Well, most clothing is sold on a garage sale. Most clothing is sold that way. And so the value of your assets in terms of clothing is what could a used vendor of clothing sell it for, or what could you get it for if you do what most people do, is sell clothing on a garage sale. Now, you're not going to sell a vintage car on a garage sale, okay? A vintage car is valued based on the open market, what it could retail for. What does it retail for? That's what the value of it is. And I think for most people, the confusion in terms of valuing assets comes in here. We are not looking for the value of your assets if the house burned down and the insurance company paid you replacement cost. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the value of your assets in the condition they're in now. If you sold at retail on the open market, what are you going to get for it? And that's what we're looking for. And everybody's situation is going to be different. I mean, if you own a house on Crow Wing number 11 and it's a 15,000 square foot house, your household goods and furnishings are not going to be worth $5,000. And if you say they are, I'm coming to get them. For most of us with household goods and furnishings, normal stuff, used furniture, modest furniture, not a $30,000 bedroom set. Most of us are going to have valuations that are pretty modest, because the reality is for used furniture, it's the market, who pays a lot of money for a used couch, right? And that sort of thing. But again, everything's relative. If you've got a bedroom set and you paid $30,000 for it, it might have some value to it. So not everybody can be placed in this nice little neat box. Everybody's situation is different. When the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Life Back Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.